guys, welcome back to Spoto channel. I'm Christy and I'm the host of Spoto Tech Talk. Recently, we have launched the Spoto Tech Talk to share the latest news about network news, network certification trends, network exam tips, and network capital. Okay, so I really appreciate if you can subscribe our channel and give me a thumbs up to this video, which allows my video to reach out more people just like you. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to become a network engineer in 5 steps and certification for network engineers. First, let's start with what do network engineers do? Network engineers, who are also called network administrators, work in the IT department of a company. They are in charge of making sure that IT department of a company, they are in charge of making sure that computer system and network hardware of their company are working well. They do this by putting in new hardware, running diagnostics, and updating software as soon as the new versions are available. They are also expected to take preventive steps to practice against malware and other possible threats to network security. So, how to start a career as network engineer? Getting a job as a network engineer takes time and hard work. There is no one straight way to become a network engineer, but there is a recommended order to get there. Check out the steps below to find out what you need to do start a career as a network engineer. Number 1, getting the education requirements you need. If you want to work in network engineer, you should get a bachelor's degree in the related field, like computer science or system engineers. Some schools have degree programs that just for network engineering, and you might be able to get more certification while you are in school. You can get by with an associate degree, but a bachelor degree is better. Number 2, obtain vendor neutral certification. To become a network engineer, you can get a number of different certifications. Getting a vendor neutral certification is one way to do this. So this certification gives you a basic understanding of IT field, so you don't learn a lot about one company's diverse. To get a credential, you must pass one or more tests for each certification. So this can take anywhere from 6 to 18 months to finish. Here is the list of certification that network engineer might want to get. Okay, so the first one is CompTIA A+. So this is an entry-level certification that lets people learn the basic of IT, which they can build on getting more advanced certification. Once you have the CompTIA Plus certification, you can work toward the slightly more advanced CompTIA Network Plus certification. Number 2 is CompTIA Network Plus. This is certification for IT professionals. This certification is a follow-up to CompTIA Plus, and you should work on getting A Plus before going for the Network Plus certification. But it's important to know that you don't have to have CompTIA A+ certification to try this more advanced option. So the CompTIA Network Plus option is meant to teach people how to fix problems and use different kinds of diverse. Okay, so along with the materials from training, there is the only one exam. Next one is CompTIA Security Plus. So this certification focuses especially on network security and related areas. So this is a highly sought after certification for those who want to pursue a career in network security. To receive this certification, you must first pass an exam. So if you want to pass any network certification exam, you can use SPOTO study material. SPOTO offers 100% premium practice test that cover the real exam question and answers is verified by IT expert. So, and you can enjoy free update, 24/7 online support. You can download bundle of study materials and practice test demo via the link in the describe section. Number 3, choose the right path of your diverse. After you getting your basic certification, you can choose to get more certification that are specific to certain company and is diverse. Start by looking at the different kinds of products company sells to see which ones you feel most comfortable with. For instance, Cisco make routers, switches, and software for security and storage and wireless phones, just to name a few. So Microsoft products includes software like Windows, Office, Business, and hardware like the Microsoft mouse, keyboard, computer models, and mobile diverse. Number 4, obtain vendor specifics certification. Once you have finished one or more vendor neutral certification and decided which path you want to take, you can decide which vendor specific certification is best. You will have to do more training that is specific to your company and is diverse. Here is a list certification that some companies may ask you to have if you want to work as a network engineer. Okay, number 1 is Cisco. Okay, Cisco for beginners. This certification will provide a recipient with the ability to traverse multiple positions and the potential to learn high-paying salary. As there is no prerequisite to this course, so it offers you baseline knowledge in IT field. There are 2 exams to complete your achievement in this certification. So it's important to note that CCIE certification is prerequisite for CCNP. Okay, so Cisco middle level. This middle level Cisco certification is follow up to CCIE. It requires those considering this option to get less CCIE credentials first, but this more advanced option allows you to choose from 6 additional trends: security, enterprise, data center, collaboration service provider, and divert not professional. There are 2 required. Microsoft 365 certified security administrator associate. This certification gives you a deep training on Microsoft 365 software. Participants learn how to spot possible threats and risks and how to use general network security practice in the program. Okay, so Microsoft Certified Android Administrators Associate. This is a certification in network management, shows that you know how to work Android software. It lets you manage virtual network storage and other resources used by programs. If you want to pass any Cisco or Microsoft certification exam, you can use SPOTO study materials. Okay, SPOTO offer 100% premium practice test that cover the real exam question and answers. It's verified by IT expert, and you can enjoy free update, 24/7 online support. You can download bundle of study materials and practice test demo via the link in the describe section. So these are just a few examples for entry level and mid-level certification that you can get by following a credential path that is specific to a vendor. Okay, certification need to renewed every few years. So this gives you the chance to get new certification and find the best way to improve your IT skills. Okay, number 5, start looking for a job. After getting the required education and getting certification to improve your professional standing, you can start looking for network engineer jobs and applying for them. So make sure that you resume list of your certification and the relevant credentials for potential employees to look at. At the end of the video, I will share some jobs similar to network engineers. Okay, so if you're interested in career in network engineering and programming, there are many careers you can consider. Here are 10 jobs similar to network engineer for you to think about. And number 1 is software engineer. Number 2, software developer, and website developer, and data architect, and back-end engineer, and full stack software developer, and database administrator, and computer system analyst. And number 8 is software QA analyst, and number 10 is software tester. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for your time in watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share my video to your friends. If you need my help, you can reach me on the WhatsApp via the link on the description section. See you next time. Bye.